Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. If you're looking for the perfect combination of what is a leisure outfit or just a nice walking outfit or shopping, this beautiful outfit from Lamiit is so comfortable. I really am in love with the fit and feel of it, and it's great for all around town. The top and bottom for this outfit coordinates so well. The bottoms has a nice wide waistband, and I really love that on my 5'4" frame, the top does not sit as a crop top, but rather it goes right to the top of that waistband. The pants have pockets and they're a somewhat cropped length, and they look so cute whether it's wearing it with sneakers or with sandals. They have a nice wide bottom, so they're really comfy while you're walking. The material and fabric of this is a stretchy feel because it is a polyester spandex mix, but I love how comfortable that it feels, and it's great for walking or shopping or just out and about around town. Top is super cute because not only does it have a mock neck collar, but it has a very trendy sleeveless feel to it. You can really see that it has like a modern, retro kind of vintage vibe, and all around this outfit is just comfy but also really nice. I love that it feels like a lounge outfit, but yet at the same time, I feel like I could go out and I would still look like I was well dressed with this outfit. Really love the fit and feel of it, and I'm highly impressed with the quality and how modern that this outfit feels. But that's just my point of view.